Hello, let's see the update for the day 16. Please take a moment to read the disclaimers and take a moment to read chance to read the mistakes as well. And here we are, like day 16, 18th November, and if you guys know that how we started and where are we now, and it's not good actually. Um, and because the risk reward ratio also more and the maximum allowed loss allowed also no, it's not good because 30% capital is lost, the series will end. And we failed to follow few rules which we started earlier, which we declared earlier. And current there will be maximum profit will be 20,000 to 25 rupees, and the maximum loss will be minus 39,774. And this is the range. Still we have chance to be close positive this month, and 10 more days will be there. Realized profit will be 35,225.7 minus 5134860. Unrealized will be more. It's around like still we are 15,000 rupees difference will be there. And hope time decay will help. And we started this, you guys may know that we started like that. This is a position which started at the time. It's like if 1:1 ratio, around 15,000 rupees profit or 15,000 rupees loss. It's a kind of thing, but we started making adjustment after 1 week around. Then we booked a lot of profit. At the same time, market is not even uh, changing its position. It's keep going down. Because of that, our adjustment didn't give much profit. Yeah, like that only I can say that. But currently as of now we are around plus 35,000 to 5.7. And and unrealized loss also, it will be very big amount. So we made a lot of adjustment. You can see these are the profits which we made, and we just closed one position. We booked only one loss to just to adjust and keep it near. And so this is a thing. 10 more days will be left, and hope what will happen we'll see. And with respect to this estimate I have done, so from this point, if 0.5%, if it turn around, then we will close with minus 22,000, 1% minus 10 11,000, 1.5%. If at least 1.5%, if it return back also, we will close in positive. That's the thing, because it fall already too much. And 2% and 2.8% is the maximum one. If 2.8% means that gives the maximum profit. So this is the payoff chart as currently now it's going like that. Moving upwards, it will give more profit for us. And this is a current delta theta gamma omega. And how the market looks like is like this. And it's going to uh, take a small upward move. It's going to take, then it may fall again, and then from that December series again, maybe there may be pullback. But as of now, just a small pullback or something it will happen, just up to some 200 300 point, then again it can fall. So that's a thing, current status. uh, let's see what will happen. And so that's about day 16 update. And gold base, whatever gold base, what happened, it's around 1.5% it went up. So the overall loss is reduced. Earlier it's around 800 rupees, 804 rupees loss. Now it's gone 508. And we just bought 16,000 rupees for gold. So remaining yesterday's profit, booked profit, that also we can buy gold with that money, and uh, we can pledge that amount. On the other hand, it's going in negative loss, so we need to manage. That's about today's video. Tomorrow we will see.